In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 Instagram hidden gems that no one wants to talk about or tell digital creators and small businesses who are trying to grow an organic following and convert their followers into clients. If this sounds like something you want and more, stick around for all the tea. What's up guys, it's Dante Dito. Welcome back to my channel for videos on social media growth, productivity, and lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button to make your dreams follow you. Before we start, here is this week's Goya Go-Getter. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to comment below in this video or give me a shout out on Instagram and tag me. I always tell my followers, make sure you are optimizing each post on Instagram and getting that perfect SEO score by basically using all of the features Instagram provides. This only benefits your content and helps your followers stay on the app as long as possible, which is Instagram's goal, to keep people on Instagram for as long as possible. And that goes for all social media. But if you're new to Instagram as a digital creator, or you just need a little refresher on how things work, if you head to Settings, Business, Tutorials, there's a collection of videos on how to use Instagram as a small business or digital creator. There's basics such as how to post on Instagram, how to repurpose content, how to post on your story, how to use hashtags, add the geotag, whatever you forget, it's there. Just remember that these videos only show you the bare minimum of how to work on Instagram. So you have to keep going above and beyond to attract new people and keep that audience engaged without you lifting a finger. If you're an e-commerce or happen to be a brick and mortars business, Instagram's got your back with their tools and resources to attract new customers and bring back returning customers right from Instagram without them lifting a finger. Sounds good? I think it does. If you head to your profile, then edit profile, and then action buttons, there's tons of options to connect your customers to Instagram without them lifting a finger. Again, because people are lazy and they want your business, but they don't want to do the effort. So there's a donate button where if you're a nonprofit organization or if you're a company that wants to give back, you can set up a donate button so people can donate straight from Instagram to that cause. There's also a food and delivery option button where you can set up your food service through Uber Eats, Postmates, whatever, where people can literally order food from Instagram. There's a shopping button where you can set up shopping right through Instagram with all your products, and you can even add them in your post so people can literally buy them from the timeline. And then if you go back from action tools and you click on contact options, there's again add an action button, and this is a different action button. It's special because if you're a service-based business, you can set up an appointment-based scheduling system through one of Instagram's partners such as Acuity Scheduling, so people can literally book appointments for your service straight from Instagram. This way you don't have to go and run and harass customers to come to your service, and customers don't have to call you directly if they don't feel like it, and you can literally sync it to your calendar and be ready to go the next day to get your coin and provide services to your customers. I also recently discovered on Instagram's latest update, and I'm a little bit hurt that I wasn't informed about this, but on Instagram Live, you can now add photos and videos while you're on live, sort of like a screen recording on a laptop. This is amazing. This is groundbreaking. This is gonna change my life because now you can do seminars, presentations, coaching sessions, whatever, on Instagram Live. And you can give your audience and entice them into your service or products with visual aids, which is amazing because sometimes lives get a little bit boring. You can also save that live to your IGTV so that you can leave it there for people who missed it. And you can even save it to your camera roll, and now you can repurpose it. You can post it to YouTube. You can transcribe it for a blog post or an Instagram post. You can post it on Instagram through the preview option. You can even transcribe that, convert it to an MP3, and make it a podcast episode. Do you know how much time that's gonna save us all? There's even a filter called Create on Stories. Now, I kind of knew about Create. You can do text or whatever, but I didn't know that you could keep swiping, and there's an option for birthday shoutouts. There's templates for question, like my top 5 songs right now, my top 5 foods right now. There's a donate button. You can do birthday shoutouts. There are so many things you can do. You can add a GIF to your full screen, and these will just add a little bit of like flavor to your story so people will be more attracted to your profile. Next, are you tired of getting the same questions down in the DMs or people inquiring about who you are and what you do? I know I am. If you head to Settings, Business, Quick Reply, you can add shortcuts, just like in your keyboard, now on Instagram DM. You can create and save responses to the questions that you're always frequently being asked. Again, time saver, Again, say what you want effectively or without missing out something. Finally, the top Instagram hidden gem that no one talks about has been right in front of our eyes this whole time. Have you ever wanted a more detailed insights and seen particular categories? Or maybe you want to see what is your top performing post in all categories without having to manually go through each one. Or maybe the profile insights are just too general for you and you want more details. I got you. Go to insights, posts, and see all. Then you can see all of your posts in the last 2 years and all of your stories in the last 14 days. And there's a tab at the top to set the time, whether you want posts or stories. And then there's another tab to set different categories to see what are your top posts in those categories. For example, what are the top posts that have the most website clicks, the most profile visits, the most follows, the most like and comments, the most saves, the most shares, you name it, it's there. And this is great because you finally know what content is working, what is clicking with your followers most, depending on what you want the most. And you can bring them through a sales funnel. For example, the post that got me the most followers is this post here, which is very inspirational about my business and side hustles, and as well, my Instagram post about Instagram growth. So I know to continue to keep making these posts because people are following me based on this. So it's attracting new people. And I'm also happy about that because I love making both inspirational and Instagram content. So I know that I'm doing my job and I'm doing it right. And that wraps up my absolute top 5 Instagram hidden gems that no one talks about or tells digital creators and small businesses. If you like this video, make sure to give me some love below. And I'll see you in my next video where I'm going to be showing you guys a little behind the scenes of a day in my summer quarantine. Make sure to stay safe. Have an amazing day, and Goya.